Howdy guys, welcome back. Jet Scott here as always, and today we got a little video update showing you everything that's going on. And I apologize, I got like an upper respiratory infection, something like that, so don't mind my voice, don't mind my appearance and all that fun jazz. But let's take a look at all the stuff I picked up while I was at the big Indy swap meeting. By the way, for all the few folks that came out and wanted to greet me and say hello and shake my hand, I appreciate all of you guys. Were super cool. It was fun meeting as many as you there were. I wasn't expecting to have that many of you guys there, but you guys are super cool. I appreciated that. Indy was a great show as always, and I'll be there next year, buying and selling as always. But let's take a look at what I picked up. What do you say? Man, oh man, there's a lot of stuff in this garage to take a look at. But I think first things first, we're going to take a look at what's in this big old box. What's in this box came from my friend Larry Augustine at Sled City Fiberglass. I've been wanting one of these, and he was at the show, and we made a deal. Didn't cut me any super discounts, nothing like that. This is for the old yard dart. And trust me, I looked at several of these up at the show, and I could have spent a lot less money, but the quality reflects what you spend. So let me tell you, if you need something made of fiberglass, he is the man to order from, because I had hands-on experience with a bunch of different items, and I can go ahead and tell you that Larry's scoops that he makes at Sled City Fiberglass are by far the highest quality ones out there. Let me just peel this baby out of here and show it to you. Actually, you know, let's check out this wrap job. Look at this. Look at that. Supported. Structural. Very nice pack job, Larry. Very nice. Let's peel this baby out and take a look at it. And it's out. That is an impressive pack job. I'm actually really happy about that. So what we got here is an RO style hood scoop, like what's on the dart currently. But as you know, the issue with the darts is it's just got, you know, a tab here and a tab here and a tab here and a tab there and a tab here, and they're all broken off because the way people make these scoops is just so shitty. Some of the ones I was looking at, you just had a little piece of sheet metal hanging off and it was fiberglassed on with a stud. Then other ones like the hood scoop, it's on there. The stud is just directly fiberglass to the scoop. But see how these are done? You actually have this giant bracket that holds it all on. So your scoop is not going to go anywhere. All the studs are already in there. Beautiful, beautiful scoop right here. I mean, just excellent detail. It's all dusty and dirty, but oh, I'm real happy with that. Thank you, Larry, again, for selling me one of these and shipping it out to me since there weren't any at the show. So yeah, again, guys, if you need a fiberglass hood scoop, check out Sled City Fiberglass or Sled City. Just Google them. Larry Augustine's the man, and just the best fiberglass hood scoop you could want. But there's that for the old yard dart. Let's check out what else we picked up. So since we just unveiled the scoop for the old yard dart, I'll go ahead and show you another piece to the dart. Is we have some early A-body 4-speed pedals. Picked those up. I think I paid like 30 bucks for those. So that's awesome. Those were epic find right there. Definitely needed those. I was going to make later A-body ones work, but it's always cooler having the right crap. And also for the dart, picked these up from my friends at Clay & Sons. I didn't know they were going to bring them, but they're 67 Barracuda seats. And we got this one and the other one over there, and they're both in pretty damn nice shape. So we're putting those in the dart, going from the gold 65 seats to the black 67, and what they changed was the width of the seat. This is a narrower seat to accommodate the full-length console. So if we ever decide we're going to put a console back in the old yard dart, we have the correct seats now. And we'll just move right over here. Oh yeah, just think about what this is for. 11-inch bell housing for big block Chrysler. Console, 4-speed 68.9 shifter. The boot, a 68 4-speed. I wonder what car from 1968 that's a Dodge we have that's going to be getting 4-speed swapped. Could it be that red with a white top 68 Hemi Charger sitting outside that we restored for Dad? Who knows? Maybe it's going to be 4-speed swapped. I guess you guys have to stay tuned. Oh, what's sweeter than a Hemi with a 4-speed and a 68 Charger? Not much. Yeah. Oh, another thing we picked up. Little IR tunnel ram. Individual runner with twin 1150 Dominators. Did I need it? No, because I have those two Dominators and I have those two Dominators. I didn't need them, but I got them because the price was just too good. Price was just way too damn good. Oh, and another thing we picked up. Another one of these wet sump circle track Mopar pans. I got one identical to it that's painted. Picked this one up for 20 bucks. If nothing else, it makes a hell of a dust cover. And this is the old KB Hemi that we're going to be repairing. Big old window. But we also got, these are my heads I picked up from my friend Tom in St. Louis. These are the exact same heads that are on my Pro Stock Hemi. But these don't need any welding, any kind of repair work. So they're basically going to be a valve job, valve guides, valves, bolt them on, rock and roll. Let me show you the coolest thing about this head. It is stamped SM for Sox and Martin. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. SM. That's pretty damn cool. In my opinion, at least. I also picked up a dew coil from him, which is a distributor that uses 2 coils. Don't know why I wanted it, but I wanted it. Now I got it. Don't fall. We did pick up a whole bunch of Holley double pumpers for stock because they were build those and sell them to people or sell them as cores. Excuse me. But the other thing we picked up was a small block Mopar tunnel ram. The price was just too sweet on this thing to pass up. And no, the Yard Dart's not getting a tunnel ram. But there's another car we're going to have here fairly soon. It's going to be getting a small block engine. And might be getting a tunnel ram. And that engine is sitting right behind you. You ready for this? Boom. This is a 1970 or 71 model year 340. And it's got 11.5 dome pistons, Mickey Thompson rods, aluminum rods, knife-edged crank, solid roller cam. The lifters are in that jug right there. And I'm thinking about just taking all the parts out of this, sending to the machine shop, getting them checked, and putting them back in it. Or I might put steel rods on it. I don't know. If everything's got a good bill of health, the next car we're going to have here, which I know I don't need another car. I don't want another car, but this car was too good of a deal, just like the tunnel ram and everything I bought up at Indy. But tell me that it wouldn't be badass. 1970 mystery car. Not telling you what it is. With a 340, making about 400 or 500 horsepower. Ooh, that would be fun. And the baby Hemi sitting next to it. You know, think about doing a video showing off the comparisons of what's similar and what they changed, because these two blocks are very much related. That engine, early Hemi, shares more in common with the small block Chrysler than it does with the 426. So maybe you'll have a video about that here after a bit. Another thing on Dad's cars, we got his 4-speed pedals, which we'll be restoring. I'm restoring all this stuff in the background because nobody wants to watch a guy grind and clean stuff and grease and paint. So just doing that in the background. By the way, if anybody's got a reverse rod for a B-body, we need it. Because the one that came with the shifter was wrong. And I did rebuild this. If anybody wants to know how to rebuild a Hurst mechanism, search the backlogs of the videos. I have videos on how to rebuild those mechanisms. It is super simple, super easy. One of our viewers gave me this really boring but cool wheel for Jezebel. It's not going on her, but it's getting added to the blue interior parts for the future. It's just a plain Jane wheel, nothing fancy about it, but that's what Jezebel's all about, is plain Jane. And of course we picked up a whole slew of distributors and whatnot. This one's got these funky plug wire ends on it. Anybody know what those are? Butt plugs. another Excel BEI unit. So more cool stuff. The oil pan to our 340, which I don't think we're going to be running that. So yeah, guys, that's kind of everything that's happened so far. I'm getting over whatever this crap is I got. And once it gets warmer again, it was funny, we had nice weather, and I went to Indy, and Indy was snowing and cold, and I came back to Kansas, and, well, now it's cold in Kansas. But never fear, guys, because we're going to have plenty to do in the near future with old Jezebel, the Yard Dart Dad 68 Charger. We're going to have plenty of content, and I keep promising you that, and hopefully I get over this crap soon, so that way we can get back to work on projects, because I mentioned to tear into that engine right there at 340. I mentioned to get the roll cage done in Jezebel. I'm itching to get that Pro Stock Hemi fired up, and I'm itching really bad to 4-speed Dad's Charger, because every old muscle car needs a damn man pedal, in my opinion. Oh yeah. But I decided I'd give you guys a little update. Gonna be a little bit before I get a good video out, so stay tuned for more, guys. As always, hope to see you in the next one. So take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.